Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on an iPhone, not just on an Android phone, but on an iPhone or multiple WhatsApp accounts on iPhone. How does it work? First, comment down below which country are you watching this video from, and also comment down below if you have any issues whatsoever. I would love to help you out. So you want to go on WhatsApp, and the first thing you want to do, if you're on an Android device, it's a little bit easier. You go to settings, do apps, and install it from there. On an iPhone, you want to go to general, you want to go to iPhone storage, and here you want to find WhatsApp. So for me, WhatsApp would be somewhere around here. Here it is, and you want to offload the app. That's the first thing you want to do. Next thing you want to do is go here on the App Store and type in WhatsApp. You want to make sure you have the latest version. When you have the latest version, you can install this one, and when you have both versions of WhatsApp, like this one and the business one, you can have two apps. Another thing that you can do is you want to make sure you type in VPN in the settings app, and you want to make sure you are not connected to any VPN, because right now I am. You shouldn't be, because you want to have the latest WhatsApp version in your region. If it's available, you have multiple options even in the native app. If you still have the issue, let me know in the comment section down below. Hit the like button.